Hey there, and welcome! In this video, I'm going to walk you through one of the most important areas of your Black Belt membership account, your location school settings. This is where you fine-tune how your school runs behind the scenes. From billing and taxes to messages, attendance alerts, and your member portal, it all starts here. Whether you're just getting set up or making updates to your existing school, I'll show you exactly where to go and how to get it done, step by step, no guesswork. Let's dive in and get your settings dialed in the right way. It all starts from your homepage. Go to Location Admin, select the school you want to manage, and make sure you're inside that school's settings. Then head to the top right corner and click Settings. Once you're in, you'll see multiple tabs, each one handling a different piece of how your school operates. Email Notifications tab. This tab lets you decide how often you want system emails sent to you. It's all about what works best for your rhythm. You might want to get updates once a day, every 2 days, or maybe once every 5. Set the timing that keeps you informed without flooding your inbox. SMS Text tab. This is where your text messaging setup lives. You'll see your SMS number, how many credits you want to keep on hand, and the types of messages or replies the system will send. You're in full control of how your communication flows. Just make sure the refill settings and auto replies reflect your school's voice and schedule. Taxes tab. Need to set up your local taxes? This is the spot. You can enter your sales tax and service tax based on what's required in your area. It's simple. Just type in the percentage, save it, and you're good to go. If you're unsure about what to enter, double check with your accountant or whoever handles your books. Auto billing and automation. If you want to turn on automation for billing, this is where you do it. By default, automation might be off. Click to enable it if you're ready to have the system handle more of your billing. You'll see a field for billing cycles. Here's what that means. Enter 0 if you want the system to bill and charge the card on the same day the payment is due. Want to bill ahead of time? Enter a number like 5 and it'll send the bill out 5 days early. There's also a setting that controls how many times the system retries a failed debit or card payment. If you set it to 3, it'll try 3 times before locking the account. You choose the level of grace you're comfortable with. Processing fees. You can set up late fees here and define how many days past due a payment must be before the fee kicks in. Thinking about adding a credit card surcharge? That's handled here too. Turn it on and then enable it for both cashier and autopay. Important note, enter the percentage as a decimal. For example, type in 0.03 for 3%. Once you click out of the box, the system will convert it to show as a percentage. Visa and MasterCard don't allow you to charge more than 3%, so make sure you stay under that cap. You can also customize the description of the surcharge so it's clear to your members what the fee is for. Don't forget to hit Submit to save your changes. Member Portal tab. If you want to allow members to pay online, go ahead and enable the Member Portal payments. Once it's on, you'll see a display message that shows up on the member's end, and you'll get a direct link you can add to your website. Makes things easier for families and saves your team time. Miscellaneous tab. This tab handles some of the extra controls you might want. Phone number format, leave this as is unless instructed otherwise. Bounce, check fee, enter a fee for return checks if you accept them. Attendance tracking, turn this on if you want to use attendance and check-in features. You can also display balances during check-in so students or parents see what's due. Under attendance warnings, set how many days of missed classes it takes to trigger an alert. This is great for catching potential dropouts before they happen. Belt promotion controls. If a student doesn't pass a belt exam, how long do you want them to wait before they can try again? And how many classes should they attend before they're eligible for the retest? You can set all of that here so it's automated and consistent with your school's standards. Final display options. Lastly, you've got an option to show profile pictures in various lists. Some schools like seeing faces. It helps with recognition. Others prefer a cleaner list view. Totally your call. All right, that wraps up your tour of the location settings inside Black Belt membership. Now you know how to control the flow of billing, automate your communications, manage taxes, and customize the student experience, everything that keeps your school running smoothly. If you need to revisit a section, feel free to pause and rewind. This is here for you anytime. And remember, if you ever get stuck or want a hand, our team's always just a message away. Keep leading with confidence, and we'll see you in the next training.